Hello everyone, I'm Amit from Mail Smartly. Today in this quick video, you will learn how to highlight a specific text with highlighter in Microsoft Outlook. Currently, I'm using Microsoft Outlook Classic and I have already created a small paragraph. So to highlighting a specific text, there are two sections. First, you have to select the specific text, and second, you have to give that text a background color. So there are two methods to select the specific text. Say I want to select this background color. So first I use my mouse. I simply put my cursor on the starting of the word, use my mouse left button. Without releasing the button, I simply drag my mouse to the area where I need to highlight the portion. This is the first method. I have selected the text. Second method, simply keep your cursor on the starting of the word, use Alt and Shift key with the right or left arrow key, and that will help you to select your text. Once your text is selected, you simply observe a small option appears which consists of few options here. See, you can change the font size, but there is an option which is this highlight marker. By default, yellow color is selected. You can also use this drop down to change the background color and highlight the text with a marker. So considering the contrast of the color, you will select the color which will look comfortable for the eyes and the reader can very easily read it. So I use this light gray color and like this. There is another way to highlight the text. Simply select it, and here on the message tab in the basic text section, this option is also available here. You can simply click on this marker pen if you are comfortable with the background with the color, highlighted color, and if you want to change it, simply click on the drop down and change the color. So I will show you the same feature in new Outlook. So new Outlook interface is entirely similar to the web. So simply click on the new email. I have already opened my new email. Now I will open that new email in a separate window. Simply paste my email, what I have created in my classic. Now similarly, select the background color like this with the mouse. See, the options also appear here. You can highlight your text using this option here, or you can also use from here under message tab. The options are almost similar both in the Outlook Classic as well as new Outlook. So the purpose of highlighting a specific section is to draw the reader's attention to that particular text. So it's a very easy and quick video for you. If you have learned something new from this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come. Thank you and have a nice day.